Anthropic introduces new open-source tool, Model Context Protocol. In a bid to stand out among competitors in the realm of AI, Anthropic has unveiled a new open-source tool called Model Context Protocol. This innovative open-source tool is designed to seamlessly connect AI assistants with the information they need to provide informed responses or perform tasks. This new development comes on the heels of OpenAI testing a Work with Apps feature, which allows the Mac version of ChatGPT to directly integrate with specific coding apps. However, Anthropic's MCP tool aims to facilitate connections across all AI systems and data sources. Anthropic's head of Claude Relations, Alex Albert, taking to X, stated that the company's goal is to build a world where AI connects to any data source, with MCP as a universal translator. Albert also highlighted that while developers currently have to create custom code for each dataset they want their AI model to draw from, with Anthropic's MCP, developers can integrate it with their AI tool once and then connect it to data sources anywhere. Moreover, according to the company, companies including Block and Apollo have already integrated MCP into their systems, while prominent software such as Replit, Codium, and Sorograph have started using MCP to build their AI agents.